Imagine losing muscle not because of age itself, but because your body's repair signals were quietly turned off. And here's the twist. The switch to turn them back on might already be sitting in the produce aisle of your grocery store. This is the part almost no one talks about. Not your doctor, not the supplement companies, and definitely not the billion-dollar anti-aging industry. Why? Because if you knew, you'd stop buying most of what they sell. After 60, your muscles aren't just shrinking, they're being erased cell by cell. It's a silent health crisis that has been turned into a business, with powders, pills, and bars promising miracles. But this isn't just about eating more protein or lifting weights harder. It goes deeper. It's a breakdown of the cellular signals that tell your body to repair and rebuild muscle. And here's where it gets exciting. New studies show that certain everyday vegetables contain rare compounds that can flip those repair switches back on. Real foods, not products. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 most powerful vegetables that naturally fight muscle loss, ranked from least to most effective. Stay tuned, because number 2 has been clinically shown to regenerate muscle fibers in seniors in just 10 days, but only if it's prepared the right way. 1. Watercress. Let's start with one of the most overlooked superfoods on the planet, watercress. Now, I know it doesn't get the same attention as spinach or kale, but don't let that fool you. According to researchers, watercress is actually ranked as the most nutrient-dense vegetable in the entire world. This tiny leafy green packs more than 50 different bioactive compounds, each one working like a natural signal to your body to protect, repair, and rebuild. It's rich in vitamin C to support collagen in muscle fibers, beta-carotene to protect against oxidative stress, calcium for bone and muscle contraction, and most importantly, glucosinolates. Glucosinolates are a group of natural compounds that your body converts into something called isothiocyanates. These molecules are like messengers that wake up tired, aging muscle cells and tell them to start regenerating again. And this isn't just theory. A 2019 study published in Nutrients followed older adults who regularly ate cruciferous vegetables like watercress. The results were stunning. Those who ate more had significantly stronger grip strength, greater endurance, and here's the big one, a 46% reduction in inflammatory markers that are directly linked to muscle breakdown. But that's not all. Watercress is also loaded with powerful antioxidants like lutein and quercetin. These compounds help protect your mitochondria, the little power stations inside your cells, so your muscles can produce more energy with less fatigue. On top of that, the natural nitrates in watercress improve circulation, helping oxygen-rich blood flow straight to your muscles when you need it most. That means better recovery, better stamina, and less risk of injury. And the best part? You don't have to do anything complicated to benefit. Watercress is at its strongest when eaten fresh. Toss a handful into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to soup right after cooking. Even a small portion a day, just a fistful, is enough to start sending those repair signals to your muscles. For something so simple, watercress can be a game changer for anyone over 60 looking to fight muscle loss naturally. 2. Red cabbage. When we talk about muscle loss after 60, one of the biggest hidden culprits is something called chronic low-grade inflammation. It's not the kind of inflammation you feel when you sprain an ankle. It's silent, working in the background for years, releasing molecules like CRP and interleukin-6 that slowly eat away at your muscle fibers. The sad truth is that this silent inflammation often breaks down muscle faster than your body can rebuild it. That's where red cabbage steps in like a quiet but powerful protector. Red cabbage is one of the richest natural sources of anthocyanins, the purple-red pigments that give it that beautiful deep color. These anthocyanins are more than just pretty to look at. They're strong antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that directly shield your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside every muscle cell. When mitochondria are damaged, muscles tire more quickly and feel weaker. But by protecting these energy centers, anthocyanins help your muscles stay strong, energized, and less prone to fatigue. And the research backs it up. A study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that eating anthocyanin-rich foods like red cabbage reduced oxidative stress markers by as much as 40%. Even more exciting, after just 4 weeks, older adults in the study showed measurable improvements in grip strength and walking speed, two of the most important indicators of independence and healthy aging. That means a simple change in diet can actually help you stay mobile and confident in daily life. Red cabbage doesn't stop there. It's also packed with vitamin C, which your body uses to make collagen, the protein that holds your muscles, tendons, and connective tissues together. Plus, it's rich in fiber that nourishes your gut bacteria, creating a healthier gut environment that naturally lowers whole-body inflammation. A healthier gut means a stronger immune system and less of that destructive silent inflammation that weakens muscle over time. The best part? You don't need complicated recipes. Red cabbage shines when it's eaten raw in salads or lightly steamed to keep its antioxidants intact. Pairing it with vinegar boosts its antioxidant power, while a drizzle of olive oil helps your body absorb more of those protective compounds. Just a few servings each week can help calm inflammation, protect your muscle energy, and keep you moving with strength and vitality well into your later years. 3. Spinach. Spinach might look like an ordinary leafy green, but inside those tender leaves is something truly powerful for anyone over 60 trying to fight muscle loss. What makes spinach stand out is a group of natural plant compounds called phytoesteristoids. One of the most fascinating of these is called 20-hydroxyecdisone. Research has shown that this compound can actually stimulate protein synthesis in your muscles, even if you're not exercising. That means your muscles get a signal to build and repair themselves just from the nutrients you're eating, which is huge for older adults who may not be able to push themselves in the gym the way they used to. The science is impressive, too. A study published in the Archives of Toxicology found that participants who took this compound daily gained over 10% more lean muscle in just 10 days, even without changing their exercise routine. Imagine that, adding muscle strength and mass simply by giving your body the right fuel. For seniors, this could make a dramatic difference in maintaining independence, balance, and energy. But spinach doesn't stop with phytoesteristoids. It brings a double, even triple layer of benefits for your muscles and circulation. Natural nitrates in spinach help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscles when they need it most. This keeps muscles from tiring out too quickly and supports recovery. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, a mineral that calms muscle spasms and reduces cramping, a common problem as we age. And let's not forget vitamin K, which supports strong connective tissue, keeping the structures around your muscles flexible and resilient. The best part is how easy spinach is to add into your meals. Just 1 to 2 cups a day can make a meaningful difference. You can toss it fresh into salads, blend it into smoothies, or lightly sauté it with garlic and olive oil. Just avoid boiling it too long, since heat can destroy some of its delicate nutrients. Adding a splash of lemon juice or vinegar not only brightens the flavor, but also boosts your body's ability to absorb its minerals. It's a simple, affordable vegetable that works like a natural muscle protector, helping you stay strong, mobile, and active well into your senior years. 4. Sweet potatoes. As we age, one of the big challenges our muscles face is a decline in glycogen storage. Glycogen is the battery pack inside your muscles, the stored form of energy that your body draws on whenever you walk, climb stairs, or even do simple daily tasks. When your muscles can't store enough glycogen, they get tired faster, feel weaker, and it becomes harder to stay active. This is where sweet potatoes step in, almost like a natural energy buffer that helps keep your muscles fueled and resilient. Unlike refined carbs that spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing later, sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly and steadily. This means your muscles get a constant, reliable supply of fuel instead of short bursts followed by fatigue. But the benefits don't stop at energy. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, potassium, magnesium, and a rich variety of antioxidants. These nutrients not only protect your muscles from oxidative stress, the kind of damage that accelerates aging, but also support stronger contractions, less cramping, and faster recovery. The science here is very encouraging. A 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients found that people who regularly consumed antioxidant-rich root vegetables, like sweet potatoes, improved their muscle protein synthesis and reduced oxidative muscle damage by nearly 30% in just 6 weeks. That's a remarkable impact from something as simple and affordable as a root vegetable. For seniors, this means fewer sore muscles, better energy throughout the day, and more strength to keep doing the things you love. Sweet potatoes also play a quiet but powerful role in supporting your hormones. They improve how insulin works in the body, which is not only important for steady blood sugar, but also for driving amino acids, the building blocks of protein, directly into your muscles where they are needed for repair and growth. This makes sweet potatoes almost like a delivery system that helps your body rebuild muscle tissue more effectively. The best way to enjoy them is simple. Roast or steam them with the skin on, since that's where many of the nutrients are concentrated. Skip the deep frying, since too much oil takes away from their health benefits. Just one medium-sized sweet potato a day, especially at lunch or dinner, is enough to give your muscles the energy, protection, and support they need. It's a small, tasty step that can make a very big difference in staying strong and active after 60. 5. Beets. And finally, we come to a deep red vegetable you might have walked past at the market without giving it much thought. Beets. They may look ordinary, but don't underestimate them. Beets are actually one of the most powerful secret weapons for people over 60 who want to rebuild muscle and fight back against age-related muscle loss. What makes them so unique is their natural ability to improve circulation. Beets are one of the richest sources of dietary nitrates, and once inside your body, those nitrates turn into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and open up your blood vessels, which means more oxygen and nutrients get delivered straight to your muscle fibers. For seniors, this is a game changer. As we age, our blood vessels tend to stiffen and narrow, limiting the supply of fuel muscles need to repair and grow. That's one of the reasons why sometimes eating protein or exercising doesn't seem to produce the results we hope for, because the nutrients simply can't reach the muscles efficiently. Research strongly supports this. A 2018 study published in the Journals of Gerontology found that older adults who drank concentrated beet juice before walking had 38% more oxygen flowing into their muscles. Not only that, but they also showed improvements in endurance, strength, and even recovery speed. Imagine what that could mean for your daily life, whether it's climbing stairs without feeling winded, carrying groceries with ease, or simply staying more active and independent. But here's something important to know. The way you prepare beets makes a huge difference. Boiling or roasting them for too long can actually destroy more than half of their natural nitrates. The best way to keep their power intact is to eat them raw by shredding them into a salad, blending them into a smoothie, or lightly steaming them so they stay tender but still nutrient-rich. Cold-pressed beet juice is also an excellent option and easy to add into your routine. Beyond muscles, beets bring other health benefits that matter a lot after 60. They help lower blood pressure, improve blood vessel flexibility, and even promote better sleep by keeping circulation steady throughout the night. So don't let their simple appearance fool you. Beets are more than just a vegetable. They're a natural ally for stronger muscles, better energy, and healthier aging. So, there you have it. 5 powerful vegetables that can help you rebuild muscle, boost your strength, and fight back against sarcopenia after 60. It's amazing to think that something as simple as what you put on your plate each day can make such a huge difference in how you feel, how you move, and how independent you stay as you get older. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean getting weaker. Your body is still capable of growing stronger, and the choices you make today can shape the way you live tomorrow. If you start adding these vegetables into your meals, little by little, you may notice more energy, faster recovery, and even a new sense of confidence in your own body. That's the gift of nourishing yourself the right way. I truly hope this video has given you something useful, something that can improve your health and quality of life. And if it has, don't stop here. There's so much more I want to share with you. On this channel, we talk about nutrition, healthy aging, and simple ways to stay strong and active at any stage of life. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because you don't want to miss the next video. And if you're ready to keep learning right now, go ahead and click on the video that's appearing here on your screen. It's packed with more tips to help you stay healthier, longer. You deserve to feel strong, no matter your age. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And be sure to check out the next video. It might be just what you've been looking for.